and welcome to my channel. So today I have another bedroom makeover for you. If you're new here, my name is Steph, and my husband and I and our family moved into this old 1700s farmhouse almost 2 years ago now. So on my channel, you'll find a lot of homemaking content. I love cooking, thrifting, and obviously we're working on renovating our home. So fun fact, this room was actually made over before. I'll link, I think it's on the side, the guest bedroom makeover that this turned into first. However, we had all three of the kids in one bedroom, but they were all stacked up like in a 3-tiered bunk bed. The ceilings are really high in this house, so that worked beautifully. However, baby number 4 came along in the meantime, and now we are wanting to move her from our bedroom into one of the kids' rooms. So anyway, it's kind of turned into this whole fiasco of room renovation. So we started off with moving our oldest daughter into what was the guest bedroom. Now, I don't show it often, but there's actually 3 more bedrooms and a bathroom and a sitting room in the attic. That's also in the process. So anyway, a ton going on in the house right now. So my oldest daughter, Kyra, she's 8 years old, and she's very girly girl, and she absolutely loves animals, namely horses. So I was starting to think like, okay, what could we do to make this feel like a really just cozy space for her, kind of like tween girl vibes, and that she would absolutely love. And she was saying that the other bedroom was kind of boring. It wasn't really a fun room. So anyways, I took on the challenge, and seeing her watch this room transform has been absolutely so much fun. She just loves it. She kept coming in here and being like, just beaming with joy. Finally, when it was finished, her final remark was, "It's a room for a queen." And she just loves it. So I'm gonna take you around, show you where I got things. But before we do that, let me show you where this room was originally, and then we'll start renovating the space, and then we'll be back for the room tour. So when you enter the room, this is what you see, but you don't see what I see. So I'm gonna start right over here with this wall. I really wanted some texture on this wall. I would have loved wallpaper. Wallpaper is so expensive, so I got to thinking, and I was trying to be creative, and actually I got the idea of a lot of this part of the room from a friend over on Instagram. My friend Heidi from Simple Offerings did something pretty similar to this in her daughter's bedroom, and so I was like, oh my goodness, I love that idea. But she used a potato stamp. I tried doing that and it was a big fail. I did not love it, so I actually ordered the stamp off of Etsy, and I would have shown you this in the getting the room ready part. However, we ended up doing it like really late at night. Actually, a lot of the stuff, the light fixtures and stuff like that, we ended up having company, and I was like, oh no, it's go time. And so we worked some really late nights, awful lighting, in pajamas type of work. But that's how we did these. And actually, I would say the longest part of the process was basing them, so making little dots. And thanks to my wonderful husband, who is much who's much better at that kind of thing than I am. He did so well with that, spacing them, and then I just, well, both of us went and just stamped. But I'll link this shop below where I stamped. It was a good quality stamp. However, it did take a long time to get here. I think it's from, was it Europe? I forget where it's from, something like that. Anyways, but I'm really happy with how it turned out and my daughter loves it. So these sconces are from Amazon and they're super cute. You can either hardwire them or just plug them in the wall, and then they have a little switch here that you can turn on and off. This beautiful picture is from Etsy, and again, I'll link the shop below. Absolutely love it, and I love how it kind of has that like sunset vibe. Just helps really add to the coziness of the room, and also definitely pulls in some of the pinks and stuff in here. So that was really fun to find. Her sheets are from Pottery Barn Kids, and then these Dusty Rose pillows I just ordered from Amazon, as well as I think this one is also from Amazon. Her duvet, which I love, it's so fluffy, is actually from like a local Bent and Dent store. It was like $5. This throw blanket is again off of Amazon. And then over on this side, okay, I'm gonna have you look at the floor a little bit. For one, this is the carpet that we picked. It is from, now I have to think, Rugs USA or Overstock. I'll link it down below. Really love it. It's beautiful, soft, and exactly matches the wall color as well. And then over here, I just have a little stool for now for her bedside table, a couple books on there. The curtains, I think, were Amazon again. This tree was from Produce Junction. If you're local, you might know where that is. They basically have a lot of like discount fruits and veggies and that kind of thing, and then sometimes they have some plants. So I picked this guy up for $5, I think. And then obviously she has her little horses here that she loves. I do apologize for the lighting here. It's always hard to film towards windows. But yeah, we have these two windows here. And if you did not watch my home tour yet, the walls of this house are actually this thick. So that's always a fun fact. Part of this house was built in the 1700s, and then I think the rest of it was built in the early 1800s. This room was one of the ones built in 1700s. So these two, I think they're 2 foot thick solid stone walls, is from back in the 1700s. So that's kind of fun for all you history gurus. Over in this corner, I just set up a little art station for her. She absolutely loves drawing, as you can tell by her drawings on the wall here. She has an entire gallery of them. She could hang a lot more on here yet. We're working on that. But I had picked up this little desk at a church auction, actually. Has a little drawer here that she can keep her notebooks in. This chair is from Facebook Marketplace, and then these wall decals are super fun. These are also from Etsy. I'll link them below, but really good quality, and they feel, I don't know, they feel really nice. So these come in separate stickers, so you could arrange them however. I wanted them to kind of be cascading down here, and again kind of tying in the theme and the colors and everything, bringing a little bit of life into this room. This is actually part of the chimney. So right underneath this is the den where we have our big fireplace. It also has a beehive oven in there. So this is just the side effects of that, if you will. So I just set some books on here for her, a lot of kind of her age books. We have a bunch of animal books in here, just really her kind of thing. I wanted everything in this room to just feel personalized to her and really special and thought out. And then over here, I just have a pothos plant. I honestly have plants, live plants, in almost every room of our house. I just love the life and homey feel that that gives. So anyway, that's super fun. So the stairs behind here is what would have been called, I think, the milkmaid stairs, I think is what it's called. I could be butchering that name. There's a specific name, I believe, for the maid of the house, the way it used to be. This rail, I'm not sure yet if I'm going to keep it black. We had painted it black with the way the room was previously, but now this is literally the only thing that's black other than the black that's on her horse on the bed. So I might paint this white, or I was hoping also to sand it. Josh thought that would be pretty difficult on this piece, so I'm not quite sure yet what we'll do with this. So for now, we're leaving it black. I guess these pegs they look almost black. They're actually a dark bronze. This lamp I ordered from Target, so I'll link that below. And then for now, I have a chair here. So what I want to do eventually here, and this will probably just happen during yard sale season, which should be starting any time. So excited. But often you'll find good prices on furniture and things like that there. I want to put a full-size dresser here, which will then probably take this chair out. I just had this one on hand and set it here. I don't really love how it looks in here, honestly. So the plan is to eventually put a full-size dresser here. This chair is from Overstock, if you're wondering. And then I just got these two little purses for her that are for decor, but also just look really pretty hanging here. They are from Shein. And then moving on to her dresser. This dresser we've had for quite some time. Picked this up at a yard sale a long time ago. The mirror I got from, where did I get it? It starts with a K. Where? I don't know. I can't remember the name of the store, but I'm gonna link that one below as well. The pampas grass is just dried fresh pampas. The vase, again, I picked up at a thrift store. And then we have this little frame of her with her sweet little pony flicker, and then another little plant. This one she got to go with me to a greenhouse to pick it up. So that was super special for her. So that's how we have this area set up right now. Again, I would like to put a full-sized dresser here sometime, and then obviously that will change a little bit the look of it, but she loves it. It works pretty good like this for now. So we'll just wait until we get a good deal on a new dresser that will fit the space better. Right next to it is a bathroom. So yes, she does have her own bathroom here, which is actually shared with her brother, who's getting a room right next door. Not much has changed in here, basically shower curtain and a few things, but let's go take a look. This entire wall here is closet space. Next to all her closet doors is just this little bathrobe that she actually doesn't really use. I have two of these that I had in our guest room, and one of them just stayed here. And then she has her little laundry hamper here. So next to that, we have this beautiful window here. And y'all, if you could see the view out of here in the summer, it's beautiful. This is looking out back over our farm. You see fields, you see the dry cows, which if you don't know more than I did when I married my farmer husband, dry cows are cows that are getting ready to have calves. So essentially it's the maternity ward. So you see them kind of down over the hill. There's more beautiful fields up a rolling hill. Just one of my favorite views out of the entire house is out of this window. So if bathroom breaks take long for you when you come visit us, I'll know why. Then next to that, we have these two beautiful pictures of the animals that were here previously, as well as the plants on the toilet. All this stuff is still the same there, the mirror and then the countertop, which I was super excited to find that this shower curtain that I picked up from Target, it totally matches the countertop. I did also add this really fluffy plush little mat here, which is so cozy to step on when you are stepping out of the shower. All right, thank you so much for being here, you guys. If you are new here, it would mean so much to me if you would subscribe, join my YouTube family, hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Bye, friends.